welcome to the mathematics class. This class is for class 8. In continuation to the previous class, we were discussing percentage in the previous class. So here also we will be discussing percentage, and in this we will be discussing exercise 7a. In that exercise we have discussed up to question number 8. Now we move on to question number 9 and 10. What is question number 9? They say that Piyush marks were read as 65 instead of 85. You have to find out the percentage error in marks. Percentage error basically means percentage change. In fact, you have to find the percentage change. So how will you find out the change? Change will be original marks and misread marks. Original marks were 85. So 85 minus the marks which were read as a confusion was 65. So total comes out to be 20 marks. Now percentage error or percentage change. So percentage error or percentage change can be written as change or error upon original marks into 100 and then a percent sign in total. So what is the error? Error is 20 of 20 marks. Original marks were 85 because they say marks were read as 65 instead of 85. So what is the original? Original is 85. So 20 upon 85 into 100, that can be solved. 5 4s and 17s, that comes 400 upon 17%. If you want, you can solve it and convert it into a mixed fraction. 400 divided by 17, 2s are 34, 60 and 3s are 51. What is left? 9. So this can be further written as 23 whole 9 upon 17%. I hope this is clear to you all. Now we move on to question number 10. Now next question is question number 10. Question reads, a man gets 15% hike in his salary and his salary becomes, or the new salary is 16,100. Find the original salary. So what we will assume? First we will assume let the original salary be rupees X. We have taken it as a variable. We don't know what was his original salary, so we have assigned a variable X. So we have it. Now the question reduces to one step, that we have to find the value of X only. So let the original salary be X. So what is his new salary? New salary will be original salary plus hike. That is very basic thing. What will be the new salary? Whatever was the original plus whatever is the hike, maybe in percentage, maybe in rupees or whatever. So the basic thing is new salary is original salary plus hike. This is the basic concept. Now new salary is 16,100 rupees. That is rupees 16,100. Original salary we assumed as X plus hike was 15%. Now 15% of what? 15% of the original salary. So 15% of X, because X we have assumed as original salary. So 16,100 is equal to X plus 15% of X. Now you have to just solve it out. So X plus 15 upon 100 into X is equal to 16100. 5 3s are 15, 5 20s are 100. This becomes upon 20. Now this is when we solved X 3 upon 20x, so that is 3 upon 20x. Now we have to solve this. It means 16,100 is equal to, when we take the LCM will be 20 and 22. So it will be 23x upon 20. Now in order to find out the value of X, this will be multiplied to this. So we can say cross multiplication. So x will be 16100 into 20 upon 23. Now let's see if we divide 16100 by 23. It will be 7 3 the 21 2 14 53 and then 2 zeros. It means it is coming as 700 into 2, that is equal to rupees 1400. So his 14,000, sorry, it's his total salary or his original salary was 14,000 rupees. X is equal to 14,000. So that is the answer for this question. Exercise 7B, and we will be doing few questions because exercise 7B has more of concepts. So please be very much alert and careful. Now we start with exercise 7B. In case still there is any problem in exercise 7A, you can comment on the comment box. I'll try to resolve your problems or difficulties. Now in 7B I have taken question number 3. Question number 3 reads, if salary of a person increases from 7,200 to 8,100, find the percent increase in salary. So how do we find percentage increase or percentage decrease or percentage error or percentage change? These are different names for the same thing. So percentage change or percentage increase, I will say increase. Increase can be written as increase upon original value or original salary into 100. Now, what is the increase in salary? Increase in salary. Initially it was 7,200, but now it has been increased to 8,100. So increase in salary is 8,100 minus 7,200. That becomes 900 rupees. Increase is 900 rupees. So percentage increase will be 900 upon original. Original was 7,200. So 7,200 into 100. So 9 8s are 72. So 100 upon 8. That can be written as 2 4s are 8 and 250s are 100. Then again divide by 2, 25s are and 2. 25.2 means 12.5%, or you can say 12 whole 1 upon 2%. That is the value, final value. Only calculation is there. So okay, so only this main thing is this. You need to remember how to find the percentage change, and percentage change can be in form of decrease, in form of increase, or anything. Percentage change it can be percentage error, it can be percentage increase and percentage decrease as well. Now we move on to question number 5. Now question number 5. A pipe is cut into 2 pieces. The longer piece is 70% of the total length, and you have to find by how much percent is longer piece longer than shorter piece. It means if the longer piece is 70%, then it is obvious that shorter piece will be 30%. Now what we will do, first let us assume let the length of pipe be 100. 100 means it can be 100 meters, 100 inches, 100 centimeters, 100 kilometers, or whatever. Here units will not matter at all. First of all, what we have assumed, let the length of the pipe be 100%. So the longer piece will be how much? 70, and shorter will be 30. Now what is we have to find out the percentage increase. So how much is longer piece bigger than the shorter piece? So it means you have to find out the difference of both the pieces. what we are finding, we are trying to find out how much is longer piece more or greater than the shorter piece. So how much it is more? 70 minus 30, that is 40. Means this is the difference. And the question asks, by how much percent is longer piece longer than the shorter one? Then the shorter one means you have to compare with the smaller part. It means you have to compare with the smaller part, means your original value will be considered as this length of the shorter piece. So percentage difference or percentage increase will be change, that is 40 upon original value, and original value will be considered as 30 into 100 and then a percent sign. By how much percent? So 0 cancel, it becomes 400 upon 3%. If you want to write it into the fraction, this can be written as 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 3 threes are 9 whole, 1 upon 3%. That is the final value. Now we move on to the question number 6. Now question number 6 reads, if a number is increased by 20%, again it is increased by 20%, find the final increase in the number or find the total increase in the number. So in order to solve this, what we'll do, first we will assume that let the number be x. Now it is increased by 20%, means original number plus 20% of original number. Original number plus 20% of original number. So 25 is 100. This can be written as x plus x upon 5. You will take the LCM. Finally, you will get 6x upon 5. Now, this is the number after the first increase. Again, they say, again it is increased by 20%. So, again, second increase is by 20%. So, the new number will be original number. Now the original number is this, because increase of 20% second time is in this number. So 6x upon 5 plus 20% of original. Original means this one original number. So 6x upon 5. Now 20 5s are 100. So this can be written as 6x upon 5 plus 6x upon 5 into 5 is 25. So when you will take the LCM, let's say do it here only. I am taking LCM as 25. 5 divides 25 is 5. 5 times 6 is 30x plus 6x. So finally you will get 36x upon 25 is the new number. This is the new number. Now, original number was x. This was the original number. And after increasing 20% 2 times, we have got 36x upon 25 as the new number. Now we will find the change. So change can be, I am rubbing it out, change. We will find out the change. So change means, change in this case is what you can see, original number was x and the new number is 36x upon 25. It means this is greater because this has been increased. So change will be new number minus original. I am writing new number minus original number. Original number. So new number is 36x upon 25 and minus x. When you will solve it, you will take the LCM as 25. This will be 36x minus 25x. This becomes 11x upon 25. this is the change or increase. This is the change or increase. You have already calculated the change. Now you can easily find out the percentage change or percentage increase. You have to find out the total percentage, total increase. So total increase or total change. So percentage change or increase can be written as change or increase, that is 11x upon 25 upon original was x into 100 and put a percent sign. So this can be written as 11x upon 25x into 100 and percentage x cancel, 25 fours are 100, 11 fours are, so 44% is the change or total increase. Total increase or total, you can say percentage increase. Percentage increase you can say, total percentage change you can say, or total percentage error can be said. Means basically this is the change, percentage change or percentage increase in the original number. The original number has been increased by 44%, though it was increased by 20 and 20%. In original or in a layman's way, you can say 20 and 20 means 40. So the number would have been increased by 40%. No, here where the concept works, it is not increased by 40%, but it is increased by 44%. You can see how this is the proof, how we have proved. You must have seen in other classes you will read about discount in malls and all. You must have heard that there is a discount of 10% and then 20%. It doesn't mean that it is equal to 30%. It is never equal to 30%, but it is less than 30% always. That can be calculated by this method. Now we move on to the next question. That is question number 7. The question number 7 reads, A's income is 50% less than B. You have to find by what percent B's income is more than A's income. They say A's income is 50% less than B. So the original will be considered as B because we are comparing with B, and here also the question asks by what percent B's income is more than A. So basic or the original will be your B or the second person. So we will assume that let B's income be rupees 50. Let us assume that B's income is rupees 100. Now they say A's income is 50% less than B. So what can you say about A's income? They say that A's income is 50% less than B. 50% less than B. So B's or A's salary will be, now A's income is 50% less than B. It means A's income is rupees 50. So we can say that B's income is rupees 50 more than A's income. That is, this is the difference. This is the difference of A's and B's income. B's income is rupees 50 more than A. So we'll find out the percentage change. Percentage change will be difference, and difference is of rupees 50. And original value we are comparing it with A's income. So A's income is rupees 50. So original value will be 50 into 100 and then a percentage sign. So this and this cancel. It becomes 100%. 100% is the change, or we can say that B's income is 100% more as compared to A's income. Now we have done up to question number 7. The leftover questions will be dealt in the next class. If you have any doubt or any difficulty in solving these questions, you can comment on the comment box, and whatever questions we are doing here will be done in the fair notebook, and the leftover questions will be done in the practice notebook. If still you have any confusion, then you can comment. So please stay at home, stay safe, and keep on studying. Thank you. Have a nice day. Also like and subscribe and share. Thank you.